Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test. Here I have the new 2.5 meter Asw-17 glider for my friends at FMS. This comes in a pretty big box, I have to say, but you will forgive them for that because there are basically 7 components in the box and it literally clicks together. There's no glue required, no tools required really. It just clicks together and then you just drop in your receiver. No decals to put onto it. It comes in this nice scale scheme and I've just added the Essential RC sticker on the wing. It's as simple as that. So, bit of a breezy day today, but it's a nice constant one down the flying field, so we'll put it in the air and see how it flies and do some aerobatics with it. Well, that was easy. There you go, that's the Asw-17 2.5 meter wingspan. Comes amazingly, you know, with nothing to do. You just literally click it together, put your receiver in. 4S 2200 pack, but you could go up to a 2600 pack. I was using a fair bit of power on that flight because we got quite a bit of wind today, but you could either fly it nice and aerobatic fast like that, or you could just take it up and glide around on a thermal. So thanks very much for watching this Essential RC flight test. Thanks to Jason on camera.
No worries.
And we'll see you for the next one really soon. Thanks.